Unit 4 Summative. Please show your work on Show Your Work paper. Please type in your name. Number 1. Ryan kept a record of the number of sunny days per week over a 4-week period. The table shows the data he collected. Sunny days. Week 1, number of days 2. Week 2, number of days 4. Week 3, number of days 3. Week 4, number of days 5. Which graph best represents the information in the table? So each sun means 2 sunny days. Is it A, B, C, or D? Pause and answer the question. Number 2. Jason went to Town East Mall and asked 100 people, "What kind of pet do you have?" His results are represented in the frequency table and pictograph. So what kind of pet do you have? Pet, number of people. Dog, 35 people. Cat, 25 people. Fish, 30 people. Other, 10 people. And then what kind of pet do you have? Pet, number of people. What does this smiley face represent? So based on this information, what is the value of this smiley face? So how many smiley faces will equal the number of people? 35 pets, 2 pets, 5 pets, 20 pets. Pause and answer the question. Number 3. The bar graph shows the favorite colors of several students. So number of students and their favorite color: red, blue, yellow, and green. Which frequency table best represents the information in the bar graph? So red, blue, yellow, and green. 12, 24, 24, 8. B, red, blue, yellow, green. 11, 24, 25, 8. C, red, blue, yellow, green. 14, 24, 26, 8. D, red, blue, yellow, green. 16, 24, 28, 8. Pause and answer the question. Number 4. Patricia created a bar graph to show how students voted for their favorite pets. So favorite pets: cat, dog, hamster, turtle. And then the number of votes: 12, 24, 36, 48. Which table best represents the information in the bar graph? Okay, so cat, dog, hamster, turtle. 14, 12, 36, 24. Cat, dog, hamster, turtle. 18, 12, 36, 24. H, cat, dog, hamster, turtle. 3, 2, 6, 4. J, cat, dog, hamster, turtle. 6, 4, 12, and 8. Is it F, G, H, or J? 5. Jack's barbershop kept track of the number of customers that came to the barbershop from Tuesday to Saturday. On Tuesday, there were 8 customers in the morning and 9 customers in the afternoon. On Wednesday, there were 9 customers in the morning and 10 customers in the afternoon. On Thursday, 21 total customers came to the shop. Both Friday and Saturday had the same number of customers as Wednesday. So Friday and Saturday will be the same as Wednesday. Which frequency table best represents the number of customers that came to the barbershop all 5 days? A, B, C, or D? Pause and answer the question. Number 6. The frequency table shows the number of family members for several students in Garrett's class. So family members, number of family members, number of students. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 5, 1, 1. Which dot plot represents the data in the table? F, G, H, or J? Pause and answer the question. Number 7. The third grade students were selling tickets to the talent show. Their table shows the number of tickets they sold Monday through Friday. So day, number of tickets sold. Monday, 30 tickets. Tuesday, 40 tickets. Wednesday, 45 tickets. Thursday, 40 tickets. Friday, 55 tickets. Which display best represents the number of tickets sold Monday through Friday? A, B, C, or D? D says not here. Number 8. Lucille took notes at the library about the times of some fast animals as shown. So fast animals, cheetah, 70 miles per hour, lion, 50 miles per hour, hyena, 40 miles per hour, rabbit, 35 miles per hour. Which display best matches the data in Lucille's notes? F, G, H, or J? Pause and answer the question.